it, Emma?
A keychain. Look at
We have to go look to see if that key fits now.
Look at my keychain.
We have to find out where that key fits. Come on now, needs everybody's help. Look.
What do you think that key is for?
Unlocking doors, but it's a really long
Video.
keychain. Look, it can reach the floor.
Go find what it belongs to, huh? Nothing over here.
We have to find out what Santa left that key for.
It's out here, Emma.
There's not a key for a door.
Oh,
Take it with you.
take your key with you.
No, buddy, it's a keychain.
But do you think it's a key for something?
I found it.
What?
I found it.
What did you find?
I don't know. You better come here.
What?
I found where the key fits.
Where? My skidoo!
What do you think of it?
Great. My very own skidoo.
Here, give me the key. See if the key fits.
Go see.
Ew.
The video of.
You're gonna be an actor, so we don't risk your guitars. I'm taking smoke break.
Hey, where's the?
Do you love it?
I'm starting to know.
Do you love it, Emma?
How do you start it?
Pull that hard. Pull it hard. I want to pull it with one hand, so she was able to do it too.
Well, my very own skidoo.
How do you think Santa knew that one?
He knew. He must have knew I loved red.
Or rouge.
Red.
Ma. Okay, my favorite color is rouge.
I want to take my key out. My really own skidoo. Oh yay! Oh yay! Oh yay! 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 Oh yay!
You know, she's gonna win an Oscar or an Emmy.